In New York City, superstar singer-songwriter Taylor Swift and American football player Travis Kelce are expected to celebrate their wedding at Madison Square Garden. While the New York Post is reporting that the couple has already tied the knot in an intimate ceremony, more than 1,000 people are thought to be on the guest list for a lavish reception inside that iconic New York venue this evening. Well, our Washington correspondent Jackie Fox joins us now from there. And Jackie, is this the American equivalent of a royal wedding?
Oh, that's right. And something is happening here, Vivian. Security is tight. There are NYPD officers everywhere. They have just closed down 7th Avenue here in New York. You should see the amount of media that is also here as well. As Taylor Swift would say herself, the Easter eggs are here, the clues are here, the hints are here that something is happening. Numerous celebrities linked to the couple have been spotted arriving in New York, including our very own Graham Norton. He said previously he was invited to the wedding. So people are putting the pieces of this puzzle together. Now, it is 38 degrees here in New York. We are under an extreme heat warning, but that has not stopped people coming down here to Madison Square Garden to take a look to see what exactly is going on. For weeks, it was just speculation. Then came the trucks, crews unloading equipment outside New York's iconic Madison Square Garden. Fans and New Yorkers knew all too well that this time the rumours were true. Superstar Taylor Swift and sports star Travis Kelce were having their wedding celebrations here.
So excited. I hope I can see Taylor Swift or something.
I think it's crazy. I went to her concert when I was so young and hopefully we can see her.
Major celebrations mean major disruption for business owners across the street.
It's unbelievable. We've been trying for 2 weeks to get clarification from the mayor's office and from NYPD. And as I said, they've been giving us the runaround and telling us the bar would be able to stay open. And now, as of last night, we were shut and we were warned security would be even worse today, which it is now. There's more fences and more cops and more gates.
The couple hasn't confirmed anything, but it's being reported that more than 1,000 guests are expected here tonight after an intimate ceremony elsewhere. The mega venue has privacy perks, multiple VIP entrances, a closed roof, newlyweds that want to keep the world's eyes away, but at the same time keep the world guessing. That's right, isn't it? The mystery is part of the magic. We have so many questions. Did they get married yesterday? Did they get married today? What exactly is happening in Madison Square Garden? How do you turn a music venue and sports venue into an intimate, romantic wedding venue? Now, guests are due to arrive here in around an hour or two. So 2 air-conditioned white tents have been set up just around the block here for those VIP guests to roll up and go onto the red carpet. We literally saw it being rolled out earlier. There are reports too, Vivian, that this is a no phones event, so we might never know what exactly happened inside.
Jackie, thank you.